Time to organize all of this. I'm going to be gathering all my yarn in the middle of my room and then I'm going to sort through it there. That red box is full of yarn, and this little side thing is just got a bunch of grocery bags for projects. But as you can see, it's kind of buried under my shoes, so yeah, I'm gonna have to dig that out.
This is the before. And this is, I'm just bringing all the stuff from behind my bed at this point. The box was from my closet, so I already got that out. I have so much yarn and just random stuff back there. Ugh.
Look at all this. It needs to be organized. Oh, lovely. The gray box is actually empty, and the purple box has completed projects in it, so I won't actually be messing with those. Oh, good. This isn't quite as full as I thought it was. Okay, so I definitely have some space for that box of yarn that I got from Hobby Lobby. And that brown bag is actually bracelet making things with beads and everything, so that's not crochet related. I just store it here because it makes sense, you know, craft stuff.
This is where I plan on storing all of my whips, and this is just kind of what it looks like once I emptied it out. And right now I am just sorting into what I want behind my bed or versus in the closet. I just want the stuff that I feel more inspired to make things with to be behind my bed so it's easier to access. And some of it was really hard to decide. Like, I couldn't figure out if I wanted it to be more accessible behind my bed or if I even thought I would get to crocheting it this year because I have so much yarn. I don't really need any more. Am I going to buy more? Maybe. I'm going to try not to, though. One of my sisters actually had come into the room at this point, so I'm just kind of talking to her and passing the time because it looks really fast for you, but it took forever for me. And I kind of filmed this one like a yarn unboxing because I hadn't put it away yet, so you didn't think the pile could get any worse, did you? It grew. Not all the yarn actually ended up fitting, as you will see, so I ended up going back and pulling out yarns that I didn't think I would use. And it still didn't all fit, so I pulled out some yarns that I knew I wanted to use and I just put them behind my bed with the other yarn I had back there. This is all somehow supposed to fit behind my bed. This is yarn I knew I had a project in mind for, but I didn't know when I'd be able to get to it, so it's kind of buried under all my partial skeins. So everything's nice, neat, and tidy. Got all my projects put in this organizer I got for Christmas, and they fit amazingly well. And I even was able to use the side pockets for smaller projects too. This is where I'm storing all my notions, so the zippers, ribbons, elastic thread, elastic, buttons, and also I have a belt buckle, but you can't really see it with the lighting at the bottom. This bag has stuff for things that I want to sell, so face scrubbies and scrunchies. And this bag has all my little scraps that I can't use for anything. I'll use them for stuffing, for something. And the silver box, you already saw what was in it. And up here, I just got my project bags and then all my tools and everything. And yes, I do plan on straightening this up. La da 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 da. It's time to organize my yarn again.